I was here with my stepdaughter and my husband, and my husband stayed behind and started carrying things upstairs, and he was in the basement when the water started gushing through the windows. We have, you know, those little upper small windows at the basement, and the water just started flowing in there. The entire basement was submerged, and then a foot and a half on the first floor of our house. We stayed most of the night at the local school, and then we found a friend whose couch we slept on the first night. I didn't fully believe the nature of the destruction until I saw it for myself. The insurance company declared our house 85% destroyed. When I saw it, most of the water had receded. We only had about 3 or 4 inches on the floor, but you could see the water level, and you could see wave splashes in the house. And furniture was completely displaced, floated in different parts of the house. It wasn't just like clean water had filled your house. This is everything that the flood had touched before it got to your house was in your house. So, you know, waste, oil, whatever the flood had picked up. I never thought anything like that would happen here. Never. I knew that Waterbury had been flooded in 1927, and a couple of the older people in town had described to me what had happened. So I was aware that it was a vague possibility. It reminded me of a war zone. I was able to rebuild my home because I had flood insurance. I didn't need to wait. Some people in other parts of town have been waiting. If you drive around areas by the river, you will note that there are some houses that clearly have just been left the day of the flood and they haven't done a thing. My annual premium for my flood insurance was $450 a year. I can understand why people would think that paying for flood insurance is too much money or they can't afford it, but it's just like you have life insurance, health insurance, fire insurance. You know, you need it.